Okay, so I normally don't talk about voice performances because, well, if I'm recommending an e-audiobook, usually the voice performance is really, really good. But Tim Curry is on a league of his own. Who is Tim Curry? Maybe you recognize him from one of these. You got the hotel guy from Home Alone 2, Captain Long John Silver from the Muppet Treasure Island, Frankenfurter from Rocky Horror Picture Show, and the original clown, It. He's also been in the 1982 original Annie. He's done tons of theater, he's done tons of voice acting. He's got the voice of a British angel. Hello everyone, my name is Grace and I am a librarian here at McAllen Public Library, and today I'm going to bring you the 7th e-audiobook of the day. It is Sabriel by Garth Nix, and it is part of the Old Kingdom trilogy. I say trilogy, but there's also a prequel and a continuation, so there's actually 5 books in this series. This takes place in a land where it is pretty much divided by two. One place is called Ancestir, and the other one is called the Old Kingdom. Ancestir is much more modern and has a controlled magic called charter magic, which can be, which you can learn in school and stuff like that. In the Old Kingdom, there's free magic, which is magic that can be used for good or bad, but usually the bad guys use free magic. It's basically uncontrolled magic. So in this world, there are bad necromancers and beings that raise the dead and pretty much attack humans, and basically they're evil. And then there's a really good, powerful, famous, strong necromancer named the Aporson. So Sabriel is the daughter to the Aporson, and she is about to graduate from school when she gets these 7 bells, and they all go from like little tiny, and they just get bigger and bigger, and a sword. And this was actually her father's necromancy tool. Fearing that her dad is in danger, she goes on a journey with another charter mage named Touchstone and a cat that's not actually a cat named Mogget. This cat can speak, by the way, and he's really snarky, and he does what he wants. He only helps you when he feels like it. So he's actually a lot more like a cat than he realizes. If you enjoy high fantasy, complex, but interesting magic systems and cat companions, this series is the book for you. I'll see you next week for book number 8. Like, comment, subscribe, follow.